Alright, channel 4469, channel 4469 million views here. Um, Back here for a explosion interview. Um, okay, so my first question. Are you mentally scarred? Alright, thank you. My second, my second question is, are, uh, is your mom disabled? Alright, thank you. My third question is, um, how was the explosion? Did it feel good? Okay, thank you. My final question is, did you get nay-nayed by the explosion? Alright, thank you. Subscribe to Epic Games and Dan TDM if you want. Subscribe to channel 44 million news and the flaming Greninja, sinful llama. Bye. Hope you enjoyed the video.